You have to categorise Marek Hamšík as a player who can make a big difference. Top marksman in the Champions League. Can he add to his haul this evening? And welcome on a rainy night. The heavens opened earlier and it just hasn't relented. My name is Derek Ray and I'm joined for commentary on this gargantuan night by Lee Dixon. And we're certainly in the mood for Champions League group stage action. It's Napoli taking on Liverpool.
Well, Derek, both teams got off to a flying start in their opening group match, didn't they? But something has to give tonight. Looking forward to this one.
Here's the team for Napoli. We're thinking 4-3-3.
Yeah, one central striker, Derek. The width comes from the wingers who will stay high and wide. A very narrow midfield and a conventional back four.
Let's take a look at the Liverpool starting 11. If you like wingers, you'll love this, Lee.
Yeah, absolutely. I love to watch him.
And he's made headway. Does he have the beating of the goalkeeper? A brisk start and a quick goal.
Well, the manager would have said, keep it tight at the back and see if we can nick an early goal, and they certainly have done.
Underway once more. Liverpool have the lead. Lorenzo Insigne. Mertens. Here's PC. Mertens. It's PC. And the attack fades out. And playing it through the defence. He's just got to continue his run. Salah! And begging to be put away. And the header so near.
Well, he's in a great position. Technique's pretty good, but he just hits the woodwork.
Is he going to punish them here? Mario Rui. When Liverpool play in the group stage, it always has the effect of bringing the memories back. My favourite memory, Lee, old spaghetti legs himself, Bruce Grobbelaar, and that final against Roma.
Yeah, who can forget that? And I think Liverpool would love that to be happening again. They've got the talent, they've got the drive, they've got the hunger. Can they go all the way?
This is Salah. Liverpool continue to advance. And the attempt by Marco Asensio! Easy meet for the goalkeeper. Lorenzo Insigne. Mario Rui. Mertens. Here's Insigne. Throw-ins given. Lorenzo Insigne. An abundance of space. Callejon! Splendid save to foil the header, Lee.
Yeah, he was. Goalkeepers are there for that reason. Strikers score.
And on the basis of that effort, quite clearly, he's not wearing his shooting boots at the moment.
Well, it was a strong effort. Used his laces, but screwed it well off target.
Liverpool have given it away. I think everyone knew that was foul play, and the referee left with little choice but to award the free kick. Well, that could be his final rebuke, I think, and the referee's making that absolutely clear.
Well, I like that, Derek. Good refereeing. Nice and strong, told the player exactly what he was thinking.
Callejon! High degree of difficulty to hit it on the volley like that, and it was close.
Well, it's all about timing. You've got to wait for the ball to come down, and he's very, very unlucky.
And Marco Asensio giving it away. And taken forward by Mertens. Well, it's a poor tackle. Illegal play, and hence a free kick. He's been admonished by the referee. He's now got to walk something of a tightrope.
Yeah, he knows exactly where he stands. Look at the referee, how he's told him off there. No yellow card, but certainly knows what the referee's thinking.
Bodies forward, and the break looks on. It's a weighted pass. On his own, with only the keeper to beat, and still he's missed it.
Well, he had one thought, power. He should have thought composure.
PC. Raul Albiol here. A foul, but advantage played. Any sort of lead is important. They have the lead. What have you made of it so far?
Well, Liverpool will be happy if it stays like this. Still some work to do in the second half, though. With the clock ticking down before their half-time cup of tea, it's important you keep your concentration.
Well, he'd be disappointed if he didn't take that one cleanly. Fabinho now. Andrew Robertson. Liverpool obsessed with finding a forward gear. Now, what can they do from this position? It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Liverpool couldn't keep it. Here's Insigne. And slipped through beautifully. Into the middle, Callejon. Well, a header that was frankly miles off target.
Well, technically, that was awful.
Effective challenge. Here's Robertson. Well, the attack promising as it was, scuppered there. Hamsik now. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. And a tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action, potentially. And the referee has determined that that is a bookable offence.
I don't think you could think anything else after that challenge.
The referee's verdict is 3 additional minutes. Ball, big chance to get them on terms. Virgil van Dijk with the block. Liverpool have given it away. A chance then for the respective managers to...